people like, you know, draw designs and stuff. That was supposed to be a heart, but I love this Tarte foundation because it's like super duper coverage, and it's just great. So I'm gonna spray my beauty blender with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray. You always want to make sure your beauty blender is damp because like it does not look good when it's not damp. So I spray it, and if it starts to get a little dry, I just spray it again. So I'm just gonna go and I don't have no sense. I'm just gonna go in and blend my foundation all the way around. For my brows, you guys know I like to use my NYX Brow Gel. So for everyday brows, I'm really not extra. Like, I just want to define and shape my brows a little bit more, and boom, that's it. Like, I'm not going for a dramatic arch or anything like that. It's just a matter of shading these bad boys in, making sure they on up a leak. So y'all know I like to clean up with foundation and not concealer just because it looks a little bit more clean. It doesn't get that like shadow, like that floating brow shadow that people have. I just don't like that. So foundation obviously matches your skin tone, or is a very close match to your skin tone. It's perfect to clean your brows up. So I just go and clean. I just needed a sip because, you know, brows can be really intense sometimes. Like, they can just make or break your whole look. So I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base. And I've been doing this a lot recently, especially for my like cut crease looks. But I actually just like to use it as a base for a regular look. So I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend it out and across my lid. And I'm also going to put some concealer under my eye just because they're a little dark today. So, you know, it really kind of just depends on the day whether I will go under my eye or not. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But today I'm a little dark, so I'm going to go into here just a little bit and again use my beauty blender and kind of blend under my eye out. While I'm doing my eyeshadow, I'm going to set under my eyes a little bit with my Makeup Forever Super Matte Setting Powder. And like, I'm sure you guys have heard in my other videos, heard me say, a little bit goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. And it doesn't need to stay on there for a long time. So if I'm doing like something really intricate or intense on my eyes, then I will probably stop halfway. And who is blowing me up? Somebody is blowing me up, y'all. But I'll probably stop halfway and kind of just buff this away because you don't want it to sit for, gosh, your stuff gets everywhere. Alright, so for my eyes, I am going to use my Itsmyrayeraye palette. I'm just struggling today. I'm going to use my Itsmyrayeraye palette. I love this palette, especially for everyday looks because, I mean, it's just got like all the colors that you could need. And then it has your contour colors, highlight colors, like, it's just perfect. So because I have like this cheetah print-ish color on today, I'm going to start by going all over my lid with Control Freak. This is a nice color to complement the dark browns that I have in my shirt today. So usually my everyday looks complement what I have on. Alright, so now that I've got Control Freak on, I'm going to go in my crease with Midnight. just to give me a little smoky effect. I actually really love this color. It's not a black. It's like a really dark brown. It actually looks like an ashy brown on the palette, but it's really cute. And I'm going to bring it up just a tad bit, not a whole lot though, because I'm not going for a cut crease look, but you can see like I kind of blended it up just a little bit. Like that's the kind of like shadow look. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that's just what I do. That's just what I do, guys. That's just what I do. I can't talk today. Some days are just not like talking video days. I've had a lot of those days recently. If you notice my last couple of videos, I either did a voiceover or I was just playing music, because like, listen, talking through these videos and trying to concentrate on the look, it's really hard, y'all. It is really hard multitasking with these YouTube videos and these makeup tutorials. And by the way, I'm using my Morphe M562 brush, and then I used the Morphe M513 brush for the upper portion of my lid. I love these Morphe brushes. I have to get some more. To be honest, guys, these are like my first 2 Morphe brushes. Seriously. Where have I been? I don't know. I've always gotten like Sephora and Ulta brushes or MAC brushes. So, alright, so I think we're good with that. Now on my lid, I always do like a shimmery color. So you guys know for my shimmery colors, I like to use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this is in Minor Sin. So this just gives like a little shimmer effect to like your already shimmery color, and it makes it pop. It's like pearlized, I guess you should say. Like that would be the correct term for it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go in with Fairytale, and I'm just gonna pat it on my lid. Ooh, that's a really coyote. So I'm gonna pat it on my lid. I'm gonna be super careful when I go in my inner corner. Like, this is so pretty, y'all. It is so pretty. So I'm gonna go back in the outer corner over here a little bit with Control Freak, and just a tad bit, kind of blend the color in. Oh man, this is really, 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 really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush my setting powder under my eyes away, because now what I'm gonna do is go under my eye with Control Freak again. Y'all know I love my under eye eyeshadow. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with Midnight on the outer edge. Ooh. Alright, I'm going to go on my waterline with my Rimmel London Scandal Eyes Kohl liner, and love this stuff. Get it right from Walmart. And you know what the funny thing is, every time I go to Walmart, they're always sold out. So I went the other day, like my last one was like down here. It was so pathetic, y'all, because every time I went to Walmart, they just did not have it. And I don't even know if Ulta has it. That's funny, because I never really look. I never really look at Ulta to see if they have it, because I'm so used to getting it from Walmart. But they have been sold out forever. And I saw one the other day. That's when I got this one. And I was like, man, I should try to get 2. But they only had 1, y'all. I was like, oh my god, the struggle is real. This is my favorite eyeliner. Like, my favorite eyeliner. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to use my Essence Volume Stylist mascara. And I'm just going to apply a little bit to the top, because I'm going to put my lashes on. But I always make sure I'm like super, super duper careful with my bottom lashes, because let me tell you, you could be rushing and you miss and get like mascara down here, or I mean, it is just a disaster. So I just go in and contour my face a little bit with Mocha from the Itsmyrayeraye palette. Oh, gotta put my palette down so I can get around this head, boy. So I don't do like an intense contour because, you know, it's everyday makeup. Like, you don't need a contour every day. Well, I don't need a contour every day. And I just kind of brush over my nose like this. I got a big nose. So when I don't contour, y'all see my big nose. So before I put my highlighter on, I'm going to go in with this NYX Away We Glow. This just kind of helps bring the highlight out a little bit more. And I love this stuff so much, so I put it all over the place, y'all. Like, I'm being so extra right now. But because I don't really contour and stuff like that every day, this just kind of helps bring out a little glow, you know. Who doesn't like to glow? And I just blend it out with my beauty blender. So I'm going to go in with Rayediant. And, oh, yes! Oh my god, I just love highlighter, y'all. I just love highlighter. Ow! Y'all know that nose highlight gotta be popping. Popping, okay? Whoopee! Am I glowing enough? Oh, yes, y'all. This is a glow. Y'all know I'm extra, right? So I'm gonna go in the corner of my eye with some highlighter. Ooh, this is really pretty. And then I'm gonna go under my brow bone a little bit too. I told you, you can never have too much highlighter. I mean, just put it all over the place and just make yourself glow and shimmer. Y'all know I have absolutely no sense. Alright, so I think my lashes are ready to be applied. Yo, I love these lashes. I just got these. They are Ardell 174 and I love them. So for my lips, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Strange Love Melted Latex. This color, I mean, I don't even know how to describe this color. And this can pretty much like go with anything. When I say I use this every day, just about I use it like every day. And then I'm going to go over top of that with this Essence Vibrant, what is it called? Vibrant Shock lip paint stuff, whatever. It's like a nude lip gloss. And it just kind of helps tone this Strange Love down a little bit. And I'm just going to concentrate the color in the middle of my lip. And last but certainly not least, if I can get it open, I am going to set with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So, alright guys, so my everyday makeup look. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this. This is how I beat my face every day. It's pretty simple, not really hard, no cut crease, no extraness, but just a nice little smoky glam. And I love it. I hope you guys do too. And thank you for tuning in. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.